All right, guys. We looked out. Our Walmart, my local Walmart, went searching through the clearance bins and found 2017 football. 2017, 2 packs of 2017 Donruss and 2 packs of 2017 Score. Now, we all know what we're looking for in these. We are looking for Patrick Mahomes rookies. I was extremely excited to find these. Can't wait to open them up, see what we got. Hopefully, we find the elusive Patty Mahomes rookie. Let's start with Score. There's 40 cards per fat pack in Score compared to 30 per fat pack in Donruss. So here we go. Sammy Coates, Arakpo, Carson Wentz, Amir Abdullah, Gabriel, Tavon Austin, Colin Kaepernick, Brandon Marshall, Ted Ginn Jr., Zeke Elliott, second year card, Traje Sharp, Tyreek Hill, Dante Hightower, Marcel Darius, the team dive, Carolina Panthers, which was Cam Newton, Jonathan Stewart, and Kelvin Benjamin. None of them are currently Panthers anymore. LeGarrette Blount's Color Rush, Tony Romo, AJ Green, Jeremy Hill, and Andy Dalton. Team drive. Josh Norman, No Fly Zone. Signal Callers, Big Ben. Hype, Deshaun Watson. Set that aside. That's a rookie insert. Corey Davis. Brandon Cooks. Brad Kaya. Roethlisberger. Big man on campus, another Brad Kaya. Stacy Conley. CJ Beathard. Alvin Kamara's rookie card. Mike Williams. Ricky Seals-Jones. And Desmond King. No Patrick Mahomes in pack 1. That's okay. If I had my druthers, I'd much rather pull the Patrick Mahomes out of these 2 Donrusses. But I will take a rookie Pat Mahomes out of any brand, really. But we got a Kamara and we got a Deshaun Watson, so that's awesome in and of itself. Got a holographic logo scorecard of Adrian Peterson, a red Dennis Pitta, a red Color Rush Russell Wilson, Joey Bosa, rookie parallel, No Fly Zone, David Johnson, Signal Callers, Tom Brady, Devontae Freeman, big man on campus, standout numbers, Julio Jones, reflections, Bradshaw and Big Ben, hype Leonard Fournette, rookie insert, Curtis Samuel, Cole Cutini, Evan Ingram's rookie card, Cooper Kupp's rookie card, Stacy Colley, CJ Beathard, and another Alvin Kamara rookie. All right. The reason we're here. Come on, baby. Find me a Patty Mahomes. 2017 Donruss. Here we go. Jack Doyle, Tavon Austin, Boomer Esiason, Mark Ingram, Fultonavich, Winston, Popolutsky, Tyrann Mathieu, Press Proofs, Press Proof Aaron Rodgers, Cliff Averill, Tom Brady, a Press Proof Jordan Willis, a Marcus Mariota, Solomon Thomas, Josh Dobbs rated rookie, and Jake Butt. All right, last pack. Come on, find me a Pat Mahomes. Let's cut through all the BS and just get right to it. I'll look through those later. Press Proof Mohamed Sanu. Press Proof Jarrell Freeman. Press Proof Odell Beckham Jr. A Taco Charlson rookie. A Dominator Drew Brees. Josh Malone rated rookie. Zach Cunningham. And a Christian McCaffrey rated rookie. So no Patrick Mahomes. Darn it. That's okay though. I'll keep looking, see if we get more 2017 Donruss at Walmart. And if we do, you bet your butt we're going to be buying them up and opening them up on this channel. Until then, though, we'll see you later, guys.